It's time for some more entertaining eats.
Oh, and these wings are grilled to perfection.
And then we toss them in a classic finger-licking yummy sauce.
And they are just begging to be plunged into some homemade blue cheese dressing.
Begging for sure, yay! So I'm Chris.
And I'm Wesley.
My old winging it Loon.
I'm winging it.
He is winging it today. We are winging it, and I'm a wing nut for wings.
Yes, he is.
Any kind of wing, I love it. So let's get started. It's got to have a sauce. So
let's get this blue cheese started so we can get it chilled. You have to do this. Chilled.
Okay, go.
All right, I'm gonna go. All right, so we first have a cup of mayonnaise. I've made this a few times, Chris.
The mayonnaise?
No, this dressing.
You could do homemade mayonnaise, but this dressing is, I'm telling you, it's restaurant quality.
That's a cup of mayonnaise. Then we have a half a cup of sour cream.
Yeah.
And then we have some, this is buttermilk. This is a quarter cup of buttermilk.
Makes it so creamy, so delicious,
good.
so fabulous.
You guys, you want to have this in your fridge all the time.
And we do.
And then we have a juice of 1 lemon. I think that's like a tablespoon.
It's like a half a lemon. You're going to want about a tablespoon.
A quarter cup of chopped onion.
Make sure it's
finely
chopped.
You don't want those big
chunks of onion.
Yeah, sorry.
That's all right.
Who's doing the mixing
I'm your sous chef.
Thank you, Sue.
You're welcome.
And we've got 2 cloves of garlic that we have minced. Once again, get those nice and finely minced because you don't want chunks of it in your teeth.
You're doing great.
And then we've got a quarter cup of parsley. And we've chopped that up too.
That is fresh parsley.
Yes.
If you can do fresh, do it, because it really does make a difference.
Oh, I love it. Then this blue cheese. You guys, get the kind like this, not the kind that's already crumbled, because this is much moister.
A lot of times the crumbled, it's still good.
Crumble it with your hands.
And crumble it with your hands. And while you're doing that, I'm just going to give a nice healthy pinch of salt and a pinch of black pepper.
So I'm doing this whole thing. I think this is 4 ounces.
That is 4 ounces.
Yeah.
Wow, you have done this before.
See, I love it. I could eat this for breakfast. I just lost it.
A lot of times I'm
going to get messy.
Yeah. I mean, you could go ahead and mix all of the other ingredients together before you put in the blue cheese, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
Get messy.
Okay, so while you're continuing to have fun with that.
All right, hold on.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Yes. Can you give me a
oh, yes, of course.
Thank you.
There you go.
Thank you. And then I'm going to go ahead and just fling blue cheese everywhere.
Oh, okay.
Get this mixed up.
Yeah, and a lot of times we use a fork just to continue to smash. You want the nice
got a fork.
Chunks of blue cheese in there, but you don't want it too overly
chunky. You don't want to be like, wait a minute.
Okay, let's get to the star of the dish, which are wings.
So good. You guys, I'm sorry. This rub, Chris has a bunch of rubs. This rub is...
the rub.
You will.
The great thing about this, it's simplicity. Yeah. I mean, it's all about we're grilling, so they get the kiss of the flames, and then so you don't need to overdo it with this, because then it kind of pulls away from the wonderful taste of the wing. So all I've got here is I have got a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of onion powder, and then I'm going to do just a little bit, just a quarter teaspoon of smoked paprika. You could do regular paprika, and then I got a quarter teaspoon of just your favorite chili powder. Now to that, we are going to add a nice healthy teaspoon of salt. I'm going with kosher salt, and then I love a good little dose of pepper. So I'm doing
hold it down far enough so people.
I did a teaspoon of black pepper. I'm just going to mix this all up, just not being real technical here. Just you want to get it fairly incorporated.
Hopefully people can see that.
Hopefully, I'm really.
Hold it down there. Hold it.
Oh my gosh, it's unbelievable.
I'm sorry, it's my director of me coming.
Oh boy, I'm not even going to comment on that. Okay, so now we've got 2 pounds of wings, and we are using a lot at the store now. A lot of times they label them party wings, which I love, but it's basically just this is called a flat, and this is called the drummette. You don't need the other part of the wing, which is like the tip, and so look for these, and that's about 2 pounds. Okay, so now I'm just going to sprinkle this over. I'm gonna do about half of it, and then use my old utensils to kind of mix it up, and then I'm gonna do a little bit more.
That looks.
How you doing over there? Oh,
I'm put this in the container and put it in the fridge. So
transferring it to a jar. Yeah. So now the cool. What I have to say about this is that these wings are so easy, and they come together in no time. So if you've got those last minute guests, or you're like, I'm hungry, let's make something. It's really pretty pantry friendly, and these wings are easy to pick up at the store. And it comes together super fast. We're gonna go ahead and let these chill for about an hour.
Let this chill.
We're gonna let that chill for an hour. But if you're in a crunch for time, you could even skip that and it's still gonna be delicious. So, all right, I'm gonna cover this with plastic.
I have my blue cheese thing. Never mind.
No, I've got plastic over here. And then we're gonna put it in the fridge and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna grill them.
Yay.
Okay, it's grilling time. So now I've got my, these have been chilling in there, hanging out for about an hour, just soaking in all that delicious rub flavor. So now I've got our grill, we've got our gas grill set out there for direct and indirect heat, and we'll talk about that when we're at the grill.
Come on.
See you there. Okay, we're outside, I love it. Okay, so we've got our nice grill here. We've got, this is a gas grill, and what I've got is this side, I've got these two burners cranked all the way up, and then I've got these over here turned off. So we're gonna add, this is gonna act like basically an oven, and we're gonna bake these on our grill. And you can do this with a charcoal grill. Just set up the charcoal on one side of the grill, and leave the other side open, or with no heat. Okay, easy peasy. Now we just close this up. You got to make sure you have a lid, and we're gonna let it go, like I said, for about 7 to 8 minutes, and then we're ready to really grill them up. Okay. Oh, look at you.
Yes, we're going to get saucy.
Oh, you're making some sauce.
Did you get those wings on there? Okay.
Yes, the wings are on the grill.
All right. Oh, are they?
Yes, well, they're not ready, but they're going.
All right, so we're going to make the sauce. I'm driving, which is crazy.
This is how easy it is. I'm kidding.
Oh, I know. So we've got a third cup of hot sauce.
We like Frank's.
Yes,
sorry.
we like Frank's.
Whatever your favorite hot sauce is.
Because we put that on everything.
It's like cayenne pepper sauce.
And then we got a third cup of butter. Can't do without butter.
Unsalted butter is what we usually go with.
Yes.
Okay.
And then we have a quarter teaspoon of pepper and a quarter teaspoon of onion. Or no, garlic powder. Garlic powder. Sorry. Ooh,
It's
look
so
at that. That's
simple.
already
All of
going
that.
for it.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, we may want to turn that down just a hair.
Look at that.
Oh, the smell.
This sauce. And we don't what I love about this is that you don't drown it in the sauce.
Yeah, it's just enough to coat it.
Yes.
Which is the way we really like it. So now, these,
This is so weird that I'm driving.
I love it.
It's like we're in England and I'm in the driver's seat.
That's right. Don't crash. Anyway, so there's so many ways you can do wings. You can deep fry them. I know it like clears out your sinuses.
Yes.
You can bake them. You can air fry them. There's so many different ways to do it. But I think grilling is spectacular. You can smoke them. All right. So that's going to go for just a few minutes.
Yeah, that's almost done. Yeah. We're going to let that go for a few minutes?
Just let it simmer so those flavors all really come together.
Yes.
We've got a few more minutes on the grill, and then I'm going to go out and flip them. Or no, I'm going to go out and put them on the direct heat, and then flip them. Okay, it's wing time. Look at this.
This is good too.
Good. That looks. Look at that, Wesley.
Those look so good.
Okay, you guys. So this was so easy. So all I did, you're gonna want to let them go until they're nice and charred, and that should cook them perfectly. Wings are very forgiving, so they're really hard to overcook. So I let them go probably another total of 8 to 10 minutes over the direct heat, and about halfway through, I flipped them over, but no big deal. Okay, and so now here they are. I'm beside myself.
Yay!
Okay, so put them in here. We're gonna coat them. Oh my gosh!
Fabulous. And I have evenly distributed the blue cheese. Oh. Well, I gave a little more to myself.
Of course you
I've
did.
got the platter, and you've got a little plate over there.
Yeah, well, some things never change. Okay, and then of course, you've got your obligatory celery there. Okay, now look at this. I just got all choked up. I'm so excited.
Oh, right. Yes.
It's a little buttery. It's a little saucy.
It's okay.
And it's pure heaven.
Deliciousness.
I mean, I'm telling you, Wesley and I
mix those
we
up.
love these so much. We will when we're trying to just kind of chill and relax, we're like, let's have some grilled wings. Doesn't that look just insane? Oh, I'm telling you, these give the classic deep fried a serious run for the money.
I am speechless.
I know. We'll just wait till you eat them.
Okay, here. Okay. There we go. Bring them on over
I'm
here.
just going to bring them, dump them on.
Dump them.
And your friends, when you serve these up, will just be like, are you kidding me?
Y'all.
That's what I'm saying right now. Are you kidding me?
Y'all, look at that. Chris, you know what I'm going to need.
Yes.
Oh.
Let's clean that up. We want to have a pretty presentation.
That's okay. I'm just gonna need these at the ready.
So you don't even need like linen. Just get some good old paper towels.
Y'all, I'm just gonna scoot this in a little closer so you can see me plunging.
Do the old plungy. You guys, This is party food at its best. I'm so excited.
Chris, grab one.
Okay. I'm gonna go.
Oh, these are hot too. I'm gonna hurt myself.
No, you'll be okay. That's why spoon some of that. Well, no, do a plunge.
No, I'm plunging. Ready, y'all? Okay.
I'm
plunging. Okay.
That's a heck of a plunge. That's why we each get our own.
I need to do this. Ready?
Let's do it. I mean, did you make a mess of yourself? I'm speechless. We'd say that every time, but
Best wings I've ever had. Ever.
Really?
Ever. Oh, I get them. That rub that you put on there, and then the sauce is just perfect.
And
it's not too tangy. It's got that buttery.
It's not too spicy, and I'm telling you, the homemade blue cheese.
Oh, these are. I'm gonna say it.
What?
I don't say it often. 100,000%. Loon approved.
Okay, well, we're just gonna close down shop now and just eat these wings. You guys, this is just so much fun for entertaining, and you saw how easy they are. Always have this stuff on hand, so when someone's coming over, you can use it, no problem.
So easy.
I gotta have one.
Just have some hot sauce and some wings in your fridge, and you'll be ready.
You will be the hit of the block. We love you so much.
We love you. Make some wings.
Wing it, baby.